Oh, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle, and in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 31st, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary with I think with no stars. Yeah, because this should be an easy one. Why? Well, it has 31 printed digits. What? This is a record. Yeah, that's a record. 31 printed digits. Publisher, you need to be. It's a shame. 31 printed digits. Well. Should be an easy one. I can solve this without my eyes. Yeah. But this one will be number 6207. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Yeah, between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then, yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Cannot believe this. 2 minutes. That's not a puzzle. That's drawing here. Not a puzzle, but without comparing. Again, 3 days in a row with a and then very easy puzzle, binary puzzle. Well, need to shame publisher. This is not a puzzle. This is wasting the for publishing the puzzle. Yeah, wasting time for and wasting the printing. Yeah. 2 minutes. Well, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute. Yeah, in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle, a tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.